welcome back to the Recipe Therapist. Today we're going to be making Mediterranean chicken meatballs, and then we're going to put them on a bed of some whipped feta cheese. We're going to garnish them with some fresh mint and fresh dill. It's going to be so delicious. So first we're going to start off with 1.5 pounds of ground chicken, and I use the 85 to 100% fat content. Then we have 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese and 1/2 of a fresh lemon juiced. We have 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped dill and freshly chopped mint, 1/2 of a small onion chopped. We have 2 cloves of garlic that I minced, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and 1/2 cup of plain Panko breadcrumbs. We have 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1/2 cup of milk, whole milk, and 1 teaspoon of salt. We're gonna mix it all together, and then we're gonna get ready to put it in the air fryer. How we're gonna make that whipped feta cheese that I was talking about. It's gonna go on a plate, and we're gonna top the meatballs on it, and it's so easy to make. Let me show you how we're gonna do it. We're gonna pour about 8 ounces of crumbled feta cheese right into a food processor. 1/2 of a squeezed lemon, 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 minced clove of garlic, I use the fresh clove, and 3 ounces of room temperature full fat cream cheese. And then I'm just gonna process this for about 4 minutes, and it's gonna be a whipped feta cheese, and it's gonna really look and taste so delicious. So our meatballs are done, and look at them. Don't they look so delicious? So we air fried them at 400 degrees for about 18 to 20 minutes. And now I'm gonna show you how we're going to place them on top. So basically the meatballs go right on top like this. And it kind of makes some Mediterranean Greek style meatballs, right? So you just place them right on top of the whipped feta like that. So now I'm just gonna take one out. And you see it's sort of like on that bed. So good. And then I'm gonna dig in and take a taste. Looks really good. Wow. It's really good. The whipped texture of the feta cheese. I taste the fresh dill. A little bit of that onion and the meatball. This is so good and really light because we air fried it. I'm gonna leave the full recipe in the description box below. It's so good to see you all and so good to be back. We'll see you next time to serve up some more love. Take care.